Hello guys, today we are going to deploy our Spring Boot project on Bitbucket. Before starting, uh, we understand some methodology, that is Agile methodologies. What is Agile methodology? In industry, there is one project is going for 5 years. The client needs the project urgently, but uh, the project is going to create for long time. So yeah, for finishing the project, it takes too much time. That's why the agile methodology comes under uh, comes in this process. Agile methodology says do not create project in one term. That means mm, create project in sprint. The sprint is called the that means create project in like short terms, like the project is going for 5 years, so develop some features or in some few months, later develop some features in another month and develop some features in uh, next month. It continue this process till the process ends, project ends. This short terms is called as sprints. So our project is going for 5 years, 5 years, and split in some features like first we are going to develop only 10 features out of 100 features are going to for client. So develop first 10 features for our client. The first 10 features are going to develop in 2 weeks first, then develop second 10 features, now develop third 10 features, and so on. Like that, complete all 100 features. So the by this methodology, client becomes happy because it gains it gets the project early. Like that, only 10 features are completed only in 1 month or only in 2 weeks. So client will be happy. Due to this methodology, uh, assume if a project is going for 5 years, but the technology doesn't remains same after 5 years. That's the problem of the previous methodology. That's why the new agile methodology comes under in process. These these short terms are called as sprint, are called as sprint. Okay, this is a agile methodology short term. Now, I'm going to open some image that's clear the uh, overview of the agile methodology. The agile methodology works on some software like Jira, and in agile methodology there is a Scrum. Scrum methodology is using in agile. So for this purpose, we are going to use Jira. First, the client first the client talks the and gives the requirements to product owner. The product owner collects the all requirements of client and deploy it in Jira in product backlog. And in product backlog, product owner prioritize these features. So the Scrum Master or team leader can you see it or use it. After the product owner, by collecting all the details from the client, product owner say deploy it in a Jira. Then the the next term it is in the picture is Scrum Master. Scrum Master uh, decides the all the features and give it to the team. First to Scrum Master analyze all the details, all the features we have to develop. Then Scrum Master analyze uh, what time to make and how much time to make this project we are developing, and what how much time required to develop this project. The Scrum Master decide this by her teammates. So Scrum Master uh, uh, start the meeting, daily meetings with their team members, and start asking and start accepting their thoughts and give talk to each other, and by their communication the Scrum Master decides and analyze how much time it takes to uh, finish these features. Then it gives this time to product owner, and it is called as a story point, and this time is given in a story point. The story point is in a Fibonacci series. So the after a Scrum Master gives the task or features in a Jira, and by the developer developers are uh, that means the Scrum Master assign the task to developers, and developers develop these features. So it is a simple agile methodology. Now we are going to learn about how to deploy the our project. It is in Bitbucket. I'm going to clear it. Or to deploy our project in a Bitbucket, first we have to understand some points. There is a main branch. There is main branch, or it is also called as master branch. The project it is in a or master branch. So we are going to cut it in integration branch. Going to cut in integration branch. Now then we are going to cut it in feature branch. Feature branch. So the all the feature or all the developing is comes under in feature branch. So when we are going to develop any project or any to add any feature, so it is developing under in feature branch. In on the integration, only there is a testing, QA testing will be happen in on integration branch. Why Why we are going to use Git or Bitbucket? There is some terminologies that is when all developers are going to develop features. Suppose develop it is a developer one, dev one, dev two, and it is a dev three. It is dev three. Suppose we have a Java class Java. Here there are some methods that is m1, m1. So first developer create add here all developers has m1 method. Suppose all developers has m1 method, m1 method, because all three are going to work on the same project, that is class Java m1. So the m1 method will be common. So developer one adding m2 method, develop two add m3, and developer 3 will add m4 method. So m1, m2, m3, m4, developer 1, 2, 3. All three are going to add their own methods in the project. Then how they can add all these methods in one project, because they are developing the projects or developing the methods on independent project. So to adding all three in one project, the git the git terminology or git method is come in picture. So to overcome this uh, error, or to overcome this method, the git is using. So we are going for this method, we are going to use Bitbucket. 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 First, we are going to create an repository. Then we create a project. In this project, we are going to cut down a main branch into integration branch. Then from integration branch, we are going to cut feature branch. So this is now we are going to create this. First, we are going to on Bitbucket. I'm opening Chrome browser. Bitbucket. I'm going to open. Okay, I open the Bitbucket. Now I'm going to create an repository. New project. I'm going to create a project repository. I'm giving repository name is demo repository. Demo repository and giving name as demo project. After before giving project name, we are going to some learn about Jira software. Jira. Okay. So it is a Jira software where we are going to work. What it is saying? Don't know. Project management. Let's wait some time. It is a Jira. So I'm going to add create an issue, making a project. I'm going to delete remove from this or creating addition REST API feature. Creating addition REST API feature. Okay. It gives me names such as Scrum 2. Give some name, same name to me. That is Scrum 2. So in a project name, I will give my name, that is Scrum 2. What is the name? Scrum hyphen 2. Scrum hyphen 2. Dep Demo giving repository name, demo repository. Always keep a repository or project private because our client project become private. If you want to give public repository, you can. But when the client project, so on client project, the repository or project always be keep on private. Okay, I'm creating a repository. It takes some time. Yeah, the demo repository is created. Now we are going to create main branch or cut main branch to integration branch. So the integration branch is always in order. Integration integration branch. Integration branch. Okay, create it. Okay, now the integration branch is created. Go on branch, all branches. There is main branch or integration branch. So I'm going to create another branch, that is feature branch. I'm going to create feature, that is addition feature hyphen scrum 2. Going to create feature addition for scrum 2. Yeah, it created the branches, all branches. Now there are three branches: main branch, feature branch, integration branch. Where I'm going to in open feature branch. Now there is a button that is check out in source tree. Click on that, check out in source tree. Open source tree. Okay. So it open the feature branch in our source tree. It is a first repository Scrum 1. Addition Scrum 1. I'm going to open the second repository loop, that is Krish, Krish. First we have to clone our feature Scrum 2 repository in our folder. So there is a destination path we have to add. I'm going to add in a see Bitbucket projects first repository. Here I am going to add the second one project. I'm going to add just second one project here. I'm going to add here Bitbucket projects. Okay, select folder, clone. it takes some time. Hmm, okay, there is some problem. I'm creating another one folder, new folder. Here I'm going create. Okay, create. Now it is creating. Now in folder, new folder, it is created. Okay, okay. I'm deleting from this. I'm renaming as this demo repository. Demo repository scrum 2 scrum hyphen 2. I'm opening this repository. I'm opening this scrum 2 repository now. Now, uh, the next step, we are going to create an Spring Boot application. For this purpose, we are going to open spring.io.initializer dot initializer website. From here, we are going to download Spring Boot application structure. Here is project. I'm selecting Maven, language Java, Spring Boot 3.3.3, group, naming as group data.demo. I'm giving artifact as Bitbucket demo bit demo for Bitbucket. Name I'm giving name as demo project for Spring Boot deploy in Bitbucket. Boot project Bitbucket package name packaging jar. I'm adding some dependencies web as a Spring Web adding dependency another is dev tools adding dev tools. Okay, click on generate. The zip file is going is downloading. Okay, it's the completed. Now open downloads. There is a zip file we are going to show. I'm just copying it from here and pasting in C drive. Spring demo projects. I'm creating here. I'm pasting here. Spring demo project. I'm pasting demo Bitbucket. Extracting this. Okay, demo Bitbucket is extracted. Now for open this, I'm opening ID STS Spring Tool Suite. For this purpose, Uh, it is opening. Okay, it's open. It takes some minutes. Okay, it is created. Now we are going to import exiting my project. In this, selecting our project is in C drive, Spring Demo project, Spring Demo project. And here is demo Bitbucket. I'm selecting this zip folder. Here is pom.xml. I'm going to select and finish it. Okay, it takes some time to downloading some dependencies or packages, jars. Keep downloading this. Wait for some minutes. Okay, it is configuring some dependencies. Importing root project. Importing Maven projects. It is importing. Okay, it does. It imported successfully. Okay, building. What it is saying. Okay, wait some time. Okay, it is building like it is building some. Okay, now it is completed. Demo video bucket. Okay, this is our project. I explained how to create a Spring Boot project and how to deploy it in AWS in previous video. Mm. Now I'm going to deploy it in Bitbucket. Now I'm going to create another class, new Java class, giving name as addition controller or add controller. It is a simple add controller. I give name as add controller. Okay, and giving some REST controller at the rate request mapping, REST mapping, giving some website URL API control shift O to import packages. Now create at the rate post mapping public return type int due to some it is returning some value add at the rate request body etc. Control Shift O for importing packages. Request body, gain some numbers, class n as object, creating it is saying creating an class, numbers, num numbers, creating some variables, private int num1, private int num2. Okay, setting the getter and setters, select all, degenerate. Now accessing this, Control Shift O for importing packages, creating an variable sum to add two variables num1 plus num2. I'm going to add. Okay, what it is going n dot get num1, because request body always store the all data in object, and the here the object I gave the name is n. So plus n dot get num2. Okay, and I'm returning sum as value, and printing in console println addition. Addition is plus sum. Okay, our project is finished. Now the next step is the next step is copy our Spring demo files. Copy our, no, this is not our project. Okay, demo Bitbucket. Copy all files of our demo Bitbucket except target folder, because there are many jar files or many represent these are not required as much. So except the target folder, I'm copying this, Control C, and pasting it uh, in project, that is Bitbucket project. Giving it as it's his name. What is the name of this folder? A demo repository scrum 2. Search. Okay, demo repository scrum 2. I'm giving name as demo repository scrum 2. Demo repository scrum 2. Here I'm going to paste all this, replace the destination. Okay, done. Now open source. Okay. Okay, it is saying more repository mode are deleted. I'm going to delete this repository. I'm closing this window. Okay, from here also I'm deleting this. From here, check out in source tree, open source tree. I'm repeating this all this process again. Okay, pick another, creating here new folder. Okay, select folder, clone new. I'm going to clone new. Ready. Okay, I'm going to select Bitbucket project and here giving name as addition FEA to your feature Scrum 2. Okay, clone. It is cloning. Addition feature Scrum 2. It successfully cloned. Now addition feature okay. Now go in Spring Demo project, Bitbucket, copy all these files except target folder, Control C, open OS, open our Bitbucket project, addition feature Scrum 2. Okay, Control A, Control V. Replace the destination files. Okay, it's done. Now opens okay, here all the files are came. Now stage all files, write commit message. I added addition feature in this Jira project name Scrum 2 Scrum hyphen 2. Okay, and commit. When we are going to commit, all the changes are we are going to make. Uh, this is only in local machine, remains in local machine, and we are going to push. Then only the code is going on Bitbucket or clone. So note this point. When we are going to commit, all the changes are in our make in our local. So it done. It's saying there are two changes are we made. Now push it in. Okay, saying asking for push. Okay, push. It takes some time. After that, the code will be put on or push on Bitbucket. It done successfully. Now we can see our code on Bitbucket or Bitbucket branches, commits. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Show all. Okay, it is 59 seconds ago. It added the commit, all the code. Okay, all code is came here. It adds when we are going to make some changes in this file. So I'm making some method public void m2. I'm making m2 method and same println changes. Okay, control s. Now the source tree, it came in source tree that we make some changes. Okay, we are going to one step is remaining, that is now we are clone. Now we are going to close this project. We are going to close project. Now open project from open our Bitbucket project, examine project. Select project from Bitbucket. Okay, replace Bitbucket project. It is our project. Select it from .xml. Advanced new template. I'm giving name as addition demo Bitbucket. Form.xml. I'm going to finish it. It is importing. What it is saying? Okay, done. Now we are in Bitbucket clone project. Now here I'm making method public void m2. I'm making println changes. Okay, I'm going to save it. Now here in a source tree it will come like we make some changes. Okay, now stage all m2 method created. Scrum to project name. Okay, commit it. push it in Bitbucket. It takes some time. Okay, now uh, in Bitbucket the changes are made. Okay, now we can see commits, all commits 37 seconds ago. M2 method created. Okay, there is M2 there. It is saying also. Now we are going to request, pull request, create pull request. I'm going to add feature method to integration, create pull request. Uh, by pull request, our code will send it to integration branch. I'm going to click on pull request, create pull request. So it says it description. I added additional feature. M2 method created. All commit message are shown here. I'm clicking on merge. Okay, merge. Okay, merged. Now our code will be in integration branch also. Here is our code. Now our Jira issue is shown in here. I'm clicking just mm, here is our Scrum 2. Just I'm clicking Scrum 2, opening in new tab. So here it is coming. Two commits are done. Make one pull request, one branch. Okay, all it is saying one pull request, one merged. Okay, in Jira it is also connected. That's it for today. Thank you.